Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna go over today, which was an amazing day in the market, up 7.24%, up over $2,500, and after hour it continues to roar forward, and it's mainly because of Aphria yet again. Are we gonna see another run up all the way to $30+? I have no idea. I have no idea. Are the Wall Street bettors doing it again? I have no idea. Let's actually look at the other cannabis companies out there. Canopy Growth, one of the bigger dogs, up 4.5. So it's not up as much as it was before. Let's look at Tilray, the one that they're gonna combine. It's up 19%. Sheesh. Oh, it's because of their earnings, right? Okay. What about this one right here? Up 12.9%. I don't know. I say by the end of the year it would be $25, so hopefully it can sustain this. Neo yet again was doing very good in the morning, and then it just continues to drop. Come on, Neo, wake up, man. I'm still super bullish on this one. This one, I believe, has its earnings at the end of the month, so when earnings come in, I believe this stock is going to be able to finally push to make all-time highs yet again past $67. I think it has the potential to hit $70 to $80 once earnings comes out, and hopefully their guidance will be better than expected. And if it is, this is for sure going to be an $80 stock at least, and it's going to stay around there for a while until the next catalyst. And Neil's been doing very well. Neil's breaking records out there, and almost all the companies I have here, if you look at, I'll show you guys all the companies I have here: Neo, Aphria, Jumia, like all these ones, they're basically going to be leaders in their industries, right? Neo is going to be one of the top players in China, almost guaranteed. Almost guaranteed, it's going to be one of the top 3 players in China at least. And we all know that Neo is going to be expanding to Europe, going to be expanding all over the world, United States eventually. Hopefully, they say that they're going to do it. Aphria, they're going to be merging with Tilray, right? And once they merge, they'll be one of the top players in the cannabis industry in the world. Okay? And they have a little bit of a footprint already in the United States. And we all know that the cannabis industry is just barely getting started. And Aphria is going to be one of the top players already in it. Okay? Jumia, e-commerce, right? Africa, the only one that's able to do anything over there is Jumia, not Alibaba, not Amazon. Jumia is the only one that's been able to do anything, and Jumia is the food delivery, and they have their own payment system. You see, those 3 companies are going to be the leaders in their respective industries. Jumia is going to be a leader in e-commerce in Africa. It's going to be the top dog, already known. Aphria is going to be a top dog in the cannabis player in the world, regardless of what happens. Neo is going to be a top dog in the EV space in China. I'm already invested in winners. Shopify is already established, and it's growing so fast. I've been telling you guys, this is going to be a $1 trillion company in the next 5 years, 10 years maybe. And I'm just going to keep adding to these babies. These are already winners. Corsair Gaming, MP Material, Tesla, Dropbox, Beyond Meat, IIPR. They're going to be growing fast. All right? And I even have some option plays just to get some more gains, especially in Neo and Aphria. And Aphria is doing very well. Up 359%. Sheesh. I wish I could have put more. That's the problem that I'm having. So I don't have enough money to put more. But we're getting back to 40K. We're still down quite a bit from the highs that we made last week once Aphria was at peak performance of $32. Still $10 away. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna hit that $32 in the next week or two. I mean, I know they could hit $32 maybe by the end of the year. Hopefully, if it does, maybe it goes past that. That would be nice. I'm gonna hold on to Aphria. I think Aphria has the potential to be the #1 player, if not top 3 in the industry, depending on how fast they do it in the United States, how fast they legalize it. If they legalize it fast, Aphria is gonna be well ready to take over. If it takes longer, then I don't think it's going to start losing a little bit more potential in the United States. The longer it takes, the longer the other companies in the United States become more dominant, because whoever is a top player in the United States is going to be a top player anywhere. The United States is where all the money's at. But yeah, here you go. It's my portfolio. Let's look at the percentage gains. NEO's still lagging behind. Whenever it's a green day in my portfolio, it's always NEO that's lagging behind, and whenever it's a red day in my portfolio, NEO is the one that's pushing it back up. And it's always like that. It's always these 4 players, my top 4 players, in which there's always one that has a red day, which is actually kind of nice because if all of them are green, then we're gonna have a day where it goes up $5,000, $6,000, which happened the other day, and it's only that rare occasion where all my stocks actually become green. And today, Aphria and Shopify are the ones that are pushing up, and Neo and Jumi are the ones that are keeping it stable. And Corsair Gaming is which just went down to 6.99%, but still going. Look at that trend, still going upwards. And yeah. Oh, I look at MP. MP finally is moving. Nice. I think this one is going to be able to get to $100 by the end of the year. I would like to get to 100 shares. I just need about 6 more shares, and I'm going to be there, baby. Look at Tesla, under $800. Oh, and Tesla's slowly trending downwards. I would love to see Tesla go back to under $700. Would love to see that. But yeah, that's the portfolio for today. Hopefully you guys did good today. I think the market was overall in the red. But luckily, Aphria was carrying the load for us by a lot. Up 28.28%. And then even going up more after hours. So I'm going to continue to hold on to this one for a long time. I would love to see this one up to $60, and then maybe I'll start selling some covered calls on it. And hopefully with that, I can make quite a bit of income from it. But yeah, this is for the long run. I'm gonna hold on to this stock for a long time.